everyone. I'm Dr. Anisha, a senior consultant at Fernandez Hospitals. Today, I will be answering some frequently asked questions about prevention of mother-to-child transmission of hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is a viral infection that affects the liver. Most people with infection do not experience any symptoms when infected. A proportion of these people develop chronic or long-standing infection, which can then lead to liver damage. Chronic infection occurs in infants infected from their mothers or in children infected before 5 years of age. Well, it is not possible clinically to differentiate hepatitis B from hepatitis caused by other viruses. Laboratory confirmation of the diagnosis is therefore needed. Chronic infection is diagnosed by a positive test for the surface antigen of hepatitis B or HBsAg. Worldwide, the virus is most commonly spread from mother to child during childbirth and in early childhood. Transmission can also result from unsafe injections and poor infection control practices during medical, surgical, and dental procedures or through exposure of various body fluids, including blood, saliva, menstrual fluid, vaginal fluid, and seminal fluids, unsafe sex, and through unscreened blood donations. Since infection before 5 years of age results in chronic infection, prevention of mother-to-child transmission is the most important strategy to avoid hepatitis B. Yes, pregnant women with high hepatitis viral load may benefit from antiviral prophylaxis during pregnancy to prevent mother-to-child transmission and protect their infants from being infected. After birth, these infants are given hepatitis B immunoglobulin and a dose of hepatitis B vaccine. For women who are planning pregnancy, hepatitis B vaccine is recommended before they get pregnant. Do comment or message us if you have any queries, and we will get back to you. Thank you.